baby! The freight train is back in town! It has been 7 long months since your hero, the freight train, was put on the shelf by the Kentucky-based chicken entrepreneur. I got your cards and letters. I got your emails. I got your textual messages. And I'm here to tell you that March 3rd, at Champy's Fried Chicken in Alabaster, Alabama, the freight train will make his triumphant return. Chicken. It's been hard times for the freight train. I've seen people come and go, but you know who's coming round the bend.
Yeah, I hear that freight train coming, but all he's gonna get is this caboose.
Saturday, March 3rd, Ryan, Freight Train Flynt, Andrew Brasfield, we're going to be playing at Champy's Fried Chicken for Birthday Mania. We're going to be eating that fried chicken. We're going to be playing that honky-tonk music, country music, rockabilly music, blues and country. I said country. That's all right. We're going to play country music twice.
I am the Kentucky-based chicken entrepreneur, and I don't mind getting a little Champy sauce on this white shirt. Watch out, freight train.
Woo, baby. We'll see you Saturday night.